There's this guy at Paris, France. It's called Lewis Inc. Have you ever heard of him?
Where's he at? France?
Yeah.
Not bad. I'm gonna pull the head off of this bad boy.
This is the kind of
This
stuff
is
that
ghetto
he does.
too. Fan clutch is missing.
Well, we finally did it.
They put electric fan in there. Okay.
All of this stuff is like this.
This is from this guy over there.
Lewis.
Okay.
It's just called Lewis Inc. Okay. It's a black cemetery.
I want to say, what the fuck's his last name?
I saw a picture of this stuff somewhere, and I thought, shit.
There's a guy named, I want to say it's him and his wife and his whole family that dude from Paris.
Still looking for the name of that shop in New York.
I really wonder how the spark plugs look on this thing.
I can find out.
Okay, where are you putting all the nuts and bolts? If you took any off, did you take anything off? or
No, I just
Okay,
took
haven't.
off
Okay, we have to find like something, a cup where we can store all this stuff.
Alright.
Actually, you know what? I have an idea. Instead of that, we're gonna put it back on this thing. Hey, hold this for me. Okay, this goes off. There. Okay, now there's two of these we have to take off. Actually, I could just take that 10mm off instead of doing all this. Most important thing is to not drop anything, because then you're going to be looking for stuff. Out. Now put this bolt back in. I can actually put those nuts back. Got that. Now we can put this in the trunk, right, or in the back seat.
Back seat, trunk, I don't care.
Good idea. And that black plastic, you have it? Okay, just put it on this.
Yeah, I was only missing on one of them, so.
One is missing, that's fine. Oh yeah, by the way, there's that positive red, you see? So in case you need like to jump the car or something.
Okay,
You
nice.
pop this off.
And you ground it on another part of it.
Put the positive here and ground it just anywhere on the engine, chassis, you know. Best thing is to put the ground on the engine, actually.
It's the bare steel.
Oh, this one too.
It's
It reminds me when I was fixing my friend's E34 and we were doing the same thing, putting all the parts in the trunk. So funny.
I found it. It's called Inkline Studios. It's in New York City.
Fuck yeah. Hanging around all these like 18-year-olds, they weren't even born during 9/11.
I was 35 when I signed up for the Merchant Marines. That was their age stuff in 1835, and I got all my paperwork in 2 weeks before my 36th birthday.
Nice.
They don't.
What are we here?
If I'd have known about it, and I was 18 again, I'd have went.
Now, I'm gonna move this to the back, right back. Take this off. Come off. That thing on. Yep. Cool. Let's see. Alright, you took this off. Alright, that's good. Hold on. Don't pull it yet. Because what I'm trying to do, I think we should do, no, I have an idea. We're gonna take these two out, 1, 2. Just don't lose the bolts or anything. Actually, radiator seems like newer. Doesn't seem like it's. The only thing I don't like is they put this electric cooling fan, they attached it like, they
Right
shoved
there.
it into the radiator, you know?
Yeah.
Stupid people. Okay, so that's loose. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. There's some stuff we need to do on the back, that's like the hardest one. Getting there. Yeah, just don't see this as like a microphone. Just try to go, yeah. Is connected there. Oh, okay. Another line. Looks like. Look at that. Something else. Ooh. Sensor. That's for your the one that was broken, remember?
Yeah.
Or the regulator, pressure regulator. Nice.
Screen goes black, it's still recording, right?
Yeah, you can press on the screen actually. You're gonna see that it's still recording.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, it's just like the way of saving up the battery is gonna be so. Let's see what we got here. So much stuff.
Go ahead and start putting these back on there.
Yeah, you can do that. Just looking at all these things. There's the flow line. Goes like that. 1 and 2. Nice. Good. Okay, so we did one thing. Now we have to plug all the intake ports just in case, you know, from all that. Yeah, there's this hose we have to remove, the coolant hose, these connectors.
Head though, right?
Yeah, we can do that later. Thinking right now, the good idea would be to try to remove, let me see. I'm gonna take this off. Well, look how many exhaust manifold bolts we had to, and nuts we had to take out. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a lot, right? But this thing is loose now. So we're gonna leave it in place. I'm gonna weld the valve cover now. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a lot of cleanup here. So don't forget the top clip. Do you have the top clip for that thing?
There was no top clip. Was there a top
There was, yeah. I think it fell down there somewhere. So we'll have to find it. There was. No, there was. Oh shit.
Oh damn.
It's right here. I got it. Oh, it didn't fall on the ground. Okay, where's my magnet? Let's figure this out.
Do me a favor and like pull up on this. I think the weight.
Is it good? All the bolts are out?
Yeah, no, I got 2 more down here. Can you like pull up on this a little bit?
Pull
like
it? Okay.
Because I think it's still pushing down on it. No, like.
Oh, push it that way?
Yeah, that's why they're not coming out. I should have done these ones first. Try lifting it and you can unscrew it.
No, we can leave it right now, probably. Yeah.
There we go.
It's out.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, you can see some milk in here. Okay. She's gonna need some good cleanup.
Oh yeah. That's crazy.
Yep. Valve cover can come off. Just leave that in there for now.
Right.
We're gonna take care of it, yeah. This gasket, same shit. It's from there. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna see what's up here.